Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're in Vaughan, just north of Toronto, at one of Canada's premier amusement parks, Canada's Wonderland. It's a perfect destination for thrill seekers and families alike. Let's dive into the excitement. If you're staying in downtown Toronto, getting here is a breeze. Just hop on the public transport and in about an hour and a half, you'll be right at the park's entrance. The first thing you'll notice is the grand entrance, with the Leviathan roller coaster towering at 93 meters. This ride is simply astonishing and definitely not for the faint of heart. One of the unique features of Canada's Wonderland is that your ticket gives you access to both the amusement park and Splashworks, their water park. It's like getting two parks for the price of one, which is amazing. Canada's Wonderland is packed with fun, boasting over 200 attractions, including 18 roller coasters. It's the largest amusement park in Canada, offering everything from thrilling rides like Leviathan and Yukon Striker to family-friendly options and live shows. With so much to do, you can easily spend the whole day here and still have plenty left to explore next time. Leviathan is one of the tallest and fastest roller coasters in the world, offering a truly thrilling experience with speeds up to 148 km/h. One of the most thrilling rides at Canada's Wonderland is the Drop Tower. Standing at a towering 69 meters, 227 feet tall, this ride takes you to breathtaking heights before plummeting at speeds of up to 100 km/h. As you reach the top, you get a brief moment to enjoy the panoramic view of the park and surrounding area. But then, without warning, you're dropped in a heart-stopping free fall. The sheer speed and the feeling of weightlessness make this an unforgettable experience. Canada's Wonderland offers an all-day meal pass, which is a great option for visitors. With this pass, you can enjoy a meal every 90 minutes at participating locations, making it easy to stay fueled and enjoy a variety of food throughout the day. This is Thundra Twister. It is a must-try ride for thrill seekers. This unique attraction swings riders up to 120 feet in the air while rotating 360 degrees, offering a dizzying combination of heights and spins. A fun fact is that it can reach speeds of up to 75 km/h, providing an intense whirlwind experience that you won't forget. This Windseeker is a spectacular ride that takes you 92 meters, 301 feet, into the air. As you gently spin around, you get a breathtaking panoramic view of the park and beyond. The one you see in the video is Yukon Striker. This ride is the world's longest, tallest and fastest dive coaster. It has a huge 75-meter, 245-foot drop into an underwater tunnel and reaches speeds of up to 130 km/h. With its flawless seats and exciting loops, Yukon Striker is a must-try for anyone looking for an adrenaline rush at Canada's Wonderland. As you can see, it's a near vertical 90-degree drop where riders are held at the edge for a few heart-stopping seconds before plunging 75 meters, 245 feet, into an underwater tunnel. This thrilling pause and dramatic drop make Yukon Striker an unforgettable experience. Let's check out Splashworks at Canada's Wonderland. It is a fantastic water park that offers a refreshing escape on hot days. With over 20 acres of water attractions, including a wave pool, lazy river, and a variety of thrilling water slides, there's something for everyone to enjoy. It's the perfect spot to cool off and have fun after exploring the amusement park. At Splashworks, the lazy river and wave pool are big hits. The lazy river is perfect for a peaceful float, letting you drift along at a gentle pace. The wave pool is exciting, with waves that make you feel like you're at the beach. Both are great ways to relax and have fun in the water. The Black Hole and other slide rides are a must-try. The Black Hole is a thrilling enclosed water slide that takes you on a dark, twisting journey, adding an element of surprise with every turn. Alongside it, various slide rides offer a mix of speeds and twists, ensuring endless excitement and fun for everyone. You can plan to explore Splashworks before noon, as we witnessed a huge crowd at Splashworks after noon. The all-day premium meal pass gives you a drink every 15 minutes. This helps you stay cool and hydrated in the hot weather, making your day at the park more enjoyable. I would recommend to opt in for this pass. This is Sledgehammer, where riders are lifted high and spun around, providing a dizzying, adrenaline-pumping ride that's sure to challenge your sense of balance. And with that, we're wrapping up our day at Canada's Wonderland. It's been an amazing experience filled with thrills and fun. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like and subscribe to my channel to see more exciting content like this in the future. Thanks for watching.